Hi everyone, this is Ron Couming from RCS Technology Solutions, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs just like you achieve even greater success by attracting, converting, and retaining their ideal customers and clients. Welcome to this training series called 25 Ways to Grow Your Instagram Account Quickly and Organically. And in this segment, we are going to talk about why you should tag brands in your photos. Just like using hashtags that have been set up by accounts that feature other people's photos, sourcing where everything is from in your pictures can lead to the brand reposting your photo, which can in turn bring you some new followers. Even if they don't repost your photo, you might still get noticed by the brand and they may even reach out to you to collaborate. If you have any questions about this tip, please feel free to reach out to me, Ron, at RCS Technology Solutions, to clarify anything that may not have been clear and see what we can do to help you achieve even greater success.